our mission. Get them out, do some horsepower therapy, and let them have some fun.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a good one for you. We're jumping into a track prep Mustang and taking a drive. Now recently I met an individual who introduced himself as Bjohnson, co-founder and CEO of a non-profit providing track time to veterans, including those that are disabled, in what they refer to as horsepower therapy. Information provided to us about this group is included below in the description of this video. Now let's get the specs, start her up, and take a drive and hit the freeway for some spirited driving.
It's a 347 stroker. It's got about 450 horse, and it's got high suspension front and rear. We're still dialing in the little bits, doing tuning, but it's running nice. She runs good. So we're going to take this car and we're going to take disabled veterans out to track days at Thunder Hill, Laguna Seca, Sears Point. We've got a chapter in Tennessee, so it'll run in Tennessee and Idaho. And we've got some great drivers that'll be behind the wheel. And then we're also going to let qualified veterans go ahead and get behind the wheel and rip around the track and have some horsepower therapy fun. The shift points around a little bit yesterday. Redid the air fuel mixture and played with the timing a little bit. We're going to take this car and we're going to strap veterans in it, take them to the different tracks in California and Tennessee and Idaho, and do a little bit of horsepower therapy with them. side that we're working on.
Sounds good. The Spintex, they sound nasty. Like a slot car. Yeah, typically the rear end wants to go somewhere else and hang out.
You'd be facing the other way.
Yeah.